Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Nadia Septi Ramadhani, absen 20 dari kelas 10-4, ingin mengerjakan UH2. Teks 1. The day was Sunday evening, May 22. 2022, I was waiting for the football match between the U23 Indonesia national team was Malaysia at the 2022 ASEAN Games event. Shows the march on the day was for a bronze medal. I thought it was important for Indonesia national team. At the start of the first, Malaysia immediately put pressure in Indonesia responded to it. Indonesia got the chance to score goal for 5 times. The first opportunity came for Ronaldo Quet. The shot the ball, but the goalkeeper was able to block it. Not long after, it was Sadid's turn. His shot word one on the first side of the Malaysian goal. I was the spectator cheering on the team, so did I felt exasperated. Then the Indonesian player could score a goal. At the score half, Malaysia made Kazakh playing 3 players out on unloading Lukman Hakim. The two teams attacked and alternate. In the 68th minute, Mark Clark from Indonesia team scored a goal and made in score on 0 for Indonesia. The supporters stamped with joy. Finally, the Indonesia team was able to score goal. However, what joy did last long. In the 8th minute, Malaysia managed to equalize through Abdul Razak had shot. The score was tied at 1-1 for both teams until the end of the match. The game continued with a penalty shootout. The situation because the event cancelled. I can barely watch it. The final kick went to Mark Clark. He took his kick and scored a goal. Mark Clark's goal made the Indonesia team win the match with a 4-3 result. The audience cheered and sang to celebrate the victory. Screamed loudly and happily and well. Hari itu, Minggu malam 22 Mei 2022, saya menantikan pertandingan sepak bola antara Timnas Indonesia U23 vs Malaysia di ajang ASEAN Games 2022. Meski pertandingan hari itu memperebutkan medali perunggu, tapi menurut saya itu penting untuk Timnas Indonesia. Pada awal babak pertama, Malaysia langsung memberikan tekanan pada Indonesia. Indonesia pun meresponnya. Indonesia beberapa kali mendapatkan peluang mencetak gol. Peluang pertama datang dari Ronaldo Quetet. Dia menembak bola namun mampu diblok kiper. Tak lama kemudian giliran Sadil. Tendangannya melebar di sisi lain gawang Malaysia. Saya mendengar penonton terus menyemangati tim. Begitu pula saya. Saya merasa cemas ketika pemain Indonesia itu tidak bisa mencetak gol. Pada babak kedua, Malaysia melakukan perubahan dengan memainkan 3 pemain sekaligus, termasuk Lukman Hakim. Kedua tim saling menyerang. Pada menit ke-68, Marskno kesulitan tim Indonesia mencetak gol dan membuat skor menjadi 1-0 untuk Malaysia. Para supporter berteriak kegirangan. Akhirnya tim Indonesia mampu mencetak gol, namun kegembiraan itu tidak berlangsung lama. Pada menit ke-80, Malaysia berhasil menyamakan kedudukan lewat tembakan keras Abdul Razak. Skor imbang 1-1 untuk kedua tim hingga akhir pertandingan. Pertandingan dilanjutkan dengan adu penalti. Situasi menjadi semakin tegang. Saya hampir tidak bisa menontonnya. Tendangan terakhir jatuh ke tangan Mark Clark. Dia mengambil tendangan dan mencetak gol. Gol Mark Clark membuat tim Indonesia memenangkan pertandingan dengan skor 4-3. Penonton bersorak dan bernyanyi merayakan kemenangan tersebut. Aku juga berteriak dengan keras dan gembira. 1. What is the purpose of the text? A. To describe the football match at the 2022 ASEAN Games. 2. The main idea of the paragraph 2 is A. The rich feeling about the game. 4. Finally, the Indonesia team was able to score a goal. What does can imply? B. The Winter's Relief. Text 2. Hi, my name is Rudy. I'm not a sport fan, but the day I will have checked my man in was Sunday, May 22nd, 2022. I have nothing to do at home, so I turned on the TV. Three is a volleyball match between Indonesia and Vietnam. Since three were not on evening program, I intended to watch it. The match was amazing support for both teams showed in support of their team because the event was held in Vietnam. The Vietnamese team reckoned modest supporters. The first set beginning for team gave her best to FB Mart. It seemed that the Indonesia team is superior in the match. The strong stagger in Indonesia player is still too difficult for Vietnamese player to contend. The first set ended when Indonesia instead winner with a score of 25-22. In the second set, the game was more or less the same as the first set. The Indonesia team dominated the match with harms because even though the home team and more supporter, it did not break the spirit of the Indonesia team. I feel the enthusiasm of every Indonesia player to win the secret set. The secret set ended with a score of 25-19 for the Indonesia team. In the third set, the Indonesia players were on fire. They are insistently determined to finish the match as soon as possible. The player attack and defense become increasingly ruthless. The first set was won by the Indonesia team with a score of 25-15. All the Indonesia supporters scored Indonesia, Indonesia, I will Ethiopia and that stadium. It gave the cold spurt in I'm part of the Indonesia team. I very happy that the Indonesia team won. Even though they were the visiting team, they were able to dominate the game from the start of the set to the end. I hope the Indonesia team continues to play well and achieve victory in aftermatch. Hai, nama saya Rudy. Saya bukan penggemar olahraga, tapi hari itu saya mungkin berubah pikiran. Saat itu hari Minggu tanggal 22 Mei 2022, saya tidak ada pekerjaan di rumah, jadi saya menyalakan TV. Ada pertandingan bola voli antara Indonesia dan Vietnam. Karena tidak ada acara menarik lainnya, saya memutuskan untuk menontonnya. Pertandingannya luar biasa, supporter dari kedua kubu berteriak mendukung timnya. Karena ajang tersebut diadakan di Vietnam, maka tim Vietnam mendapatkan lebih banyak supporter. Set pertama dimulai, kedua tim memberikan yang terbaik untuk memenangkan pertandingan. Nampaknya tim Indonesia lebih unggul di laga ini. Tonjakan besar permainan Indonesia terlalu sulit untuk dibendung oleh pemain Vietnam. Set pertama berakhir dengan Indonesia sebagai pemenang dengan skor 25-22. Pada set kedua, permainannya kurang lebih sama dengan set pertama. Tim Indonesia mendominasi pertandingan dengan speed keras. Meski tim tuan rumah lebih banyak memiliki pendukung, namun hal tersebut tidak mematahkan semangat tim Indonesia. Rasakan antusiasme setiap pemain Indonesia untuk memenangkan set kedua. Set kedua berakhir dengan skor 25-18 untuk tim Indonesia. Pada set ketiga, pemain Indonesia sedang on fire. Mereka semakin bertekad untuk menyelesaikan pertandingan secepatnya. Dan pertahanan para pemain pun semakin sengit. Set ketiga dimenangkan oleh tim Indonesia dengan skor 25-15. Seluruh supporter Indonesia berteriak, Indonesia, Indonesia. Saya merasa euforia di stadion itu membuat merinding. Bangga dengan tim Indonesia, saya sangat senang tim Indonesia menang. Meski berstatus tim tamu, mereka mampu mendominasi permainan sejak awal set hingga akhir. Saya berharap tim Indonesia terus bermain bagus dan meraih kemenangan di pertandingan lainnya. 15. For the test, we can count the test. B. At the beginning of the match, the Indonesia team dominated it. 3. The main ideal of the paragraph 3 is C. The match in the watch set. 13. At the second set, the match was pretty much the same with the first one. The both were deferred to D. The set. Teks 3. I was Saturday the 24th of July 2021. I have finished my homework and was relaxing with watching TV. I worked on TV and looked for a good TV program. After and came across a sporting event, the Tokyo Olympic. It was the women group on swimming qualification of the 400 m individual medley event. The event was at Tokyo Aquatic Center. In the preliminary round 10 was an Indonesian swimmer named Azara Mataharani, Awards Monster. In her the corn son of her favorite swimmer. Of course is support Azara Permataharani and the competition start the swimmer jump into the water and swim as first and taken. Azara Permataharani quickly competed with the Slovak Krentasil Vogtevin and the Argentinian swimmer Fergiana Martin Bardak. The match was over and Azara Permataharani was in second place in Group 1 of the Z. Now the final reaction of the group stage match. The result that Azara Permataharani is in 16th position of a total of 17 swimmers spread across 3 preliminary groups. He did not qualify for the final four because he did 8 swimmers of 17 swimmers. Even though Azahra Permataharani did not pass the qualifying round, I still very proud of the because she gave her best. I hope we can win the next game. Hari itu hari Sabtu tanggal 24 bulan Juni tahun 2021. Saya telah menyelesaikan pekerjaan rumah saya dan sedang bersantai sambil menonton TV. Saya menyalakan TV dan mencari program TV yang bagus. Setelah beberapa saat saya menemukan acara olahraga Olimpiade Tokyo. Itu adalah kualifikasi renang grup 1 putri untuk nomor gaya ganti individu 400 m. Acara tersebut diadakan di Tokyo Aquatic Center. Pada babak penyelesaian, ada perenang Indonesia bernama Azara Permataharani. Beberapa saat kemudian, para perenang bersiap di jalurnya masing-masing. Saya mendengar penonton meneriaki perenang favorit mereka. Tentu saja saya mendukung Azara Permataharani. Saat perlombaan dimulai, para perenang melompat ke dalam air dan berenang secepat mungkin. Azara Permataharani dengan cepat bersaing dengan wakil Slovakia, Vogtevin, dan perenang Argentina, Virginia Martin Bardak. Pertandingan usai dan Azara Permataharani berada di tingkat kedua grup 1. Sedih rasanya mengetahui hasil akhir pertandingan penyelesaian grup. Hal ini menunjukkan Azahra Permataharani berada di posisi ke-16 dari total 17 perenang yang tersebar di ketiga grup penyelesaian. Ia tidak lolos ke babak final karena hanya membutuhkan 8 perenang dari 17 perenang. Meski Azara Permataharani tidak lolos babak kualifikasi, saya tetap merasa bangga padanya karena ia telah memberikan yang terbaik. Saya berharap dia bisa memenangkan pertandingan berikutnya. 16. What sport event did the winner watch? C. I was swimming qualification. 20. What is the main idea of the bird paragraph? B. The final record of the qualification round. 17. Where was the event held? E. I was held in Japan.